Hi everyone, and welcome to the tutorial for the HallPay mobile app. We're going to walk you through how to request a payment. First thing you want to do is go to the Get Paid tool from the lower menu and hit the orange plus sign in the lower right. This will take you to the payment request screen where you can enter in the total all-in invoice amount for the freight move you just did. Then you'll want to search for the bill to company name, which is your customer or debtor's name. In this case, we're searching for ST Freight. So you can type in part of this and scroll down through the results to find them, or you can type in the full name and it should pop right up. Once you've got your customer selected, go ahead and type in the load number or load reference number, which should typically be on the rate confirmation, which was confirmed to you by whoever you booked the load with. Then you want to select whether you want the next day ACH, which is free, or same day wire, where we'll batch all your payments and send them all on the same day. In the next view, you're going to upload your files. So you're going to basically take a photo of the core required documents we need to get you paid right away, which are the rate confirmation and signed bill of lading. Get your rate confirmation, get it on a flat or as level of the surface as possible. Take a photo with your smartphone, and then you'll be able to crop this. Make sure the lighting is good and that you can read everything that's on the document. That way there's no delay in us processing your payment request the same day. Then you're going to select the category. So this was a rate confirmation, so we'll select that here and go ahead and confirm that category. Next thing we have to do is go ahead and add a copy or image of our bill of lading that's been signed once we've delivered the load. Again, get that signed bill of lading, make sure it's very legible, the signatures for the shipper and the consignee are very clear, and there's good enough lighting. Then go ahead and crop that. Let's get all that critical information into that cropped image. And then you can go ahead and proceed to setting the category. In this case, it's a signed bill of lading from the delivery. Now on the summary screen, you can double check all of the data you've entered, add extra attachments if you've forgotten anything, and select or update the payment type one more time if you need to. And then hit the little orange check mark circular icon, and that will submit the payment request. Back here on the Get Paid History section, you can see all of your payments, and you'll see the most recent one at the very top, which you can then go into View and Edit, as long as it's in the status of New, to add any additional docs. Let's say you may have forgotten something. So in this case, we actually forgot to add an updated rate confirmation and a lumper receipt that's attached to it. So we're going to go ahead and go back in here, take a picture of this new updated rate confirmation and lumper receipt, crop the doc really quick, set the category, and confirm that category, and then hit the little orange check mark to submit the updated or new document that we want to attach to the payment request for processing. Now if you want to update or edit any other fields here, make sure you just hit the little circular orange save icon in the lower right on this payment request edit section, so it updates any of that other data as well. We'll start processing it right away. Now if you want to check credit, or if you want to attach or link any customer in our database or add a new customer to the database so we can run credit on them, you want to use the credit check tool. You can go ahead and search for any company that we already have in the system. We have an expansive database of pre-approved basically debtors or customers, and then you can select to add that customer, which will basically start the process for us to link them to your account, so the funding is very rapid in the future. Now if you need to add a new customer, you can add them here. You'll want to put in the MC number if it's a broker. DOT works too, but we recommend MC. And if it's a shipper, we need the tax ID. And once you save that record, it'll go into our queue and we'll start reviewing the credit right away. Oftentimes this is an automatic process and you'll get a response back with a push notification right away. So let's say you submitted a new or connected a new debtor or customer to your account. Once you get that update, you'll see your credit status updates here on the home screen and recent activities. You'll also see it in the timeline, which you can get to from the little bell icon on the upper right hand corner of the app. And this is basically a calendar view and timeline of all of the activity or events that happen by day. And you can see any of that updated here as a whole history of your account transpires. So we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We're looking forward to adding a ton of optimization and time saved for your business. And thanks again, and welcome to HallPay.